So here we are back on the page I wanted to get to. What does the course outline include? Now this is for your assignment that you have to do. So there it is right there in front of you. Page 156. The course outline should have the following elements. Well, you can read that. It's in your manual. You'll notice the schedule of sessions is part of it. Okay. Now, if you're teaching at a college, you'll have to use their template because many places have their own particular way of doing a course outline. I know BCIT does, the UFB does. They all have their own methods, and they include their policies and so on. Course policies is optional for your assignment, but if you're working at a college, just include that because it should be real life type of thing. Okay, so here's the, it's pretty straightforward. Starting on this page 157, there's a suggested template. So I'll just scroll slowly through this. You've got your title page. Now, depending on whether you're marketing this course or whether you're just basically doing an outline for a college, you may want to do a brochure. You may want to do color. You may want to make it kind of have a little bit of pizzazz if you're using it as a marketing brochure as well. Basically, you want to talk about the purpose and the goals or outcomes. Now, the important thing here, this should be exactly the same as the goals on your DACM or the goals from your outcomes guide. That's a question of integrating things together and aligning things together. All right, prerequisites for the course. It's basically information that anybody would want to know. Well, why would I want to take this course? Student characteristics, what type of student would do well in the course, the format for the course activities. Should people bring hip waders, that kind of thing? Are there field trips? Exams? Are you working with dangerous things? Are you going to blow yourself up? Should you get more insurance? That kind of stuff, Course texts, supplies, and then the schedule of course sessions, and that is basically right here. Is it a 10 3-hour sets of lessons over 5 to 6 hour days, 10 3-hour lessons over 2 15-hour weekends, and so on, 5 6 hour one-day workshops? There's all sorts of ways to organize it, and it all depends on how you want to do that, right? Student evaluation, how are the students going to be evaluated? Policies, that's kind of important. What are the policies for absences? What are the policies for plagiarism, for all that kind of thing? And any other information, that's sort of the catch-all category. Well, there you go. That's pretty straightforward, isn't it? That's doing a course outline. I think you'll find it straightforward. The only tricky part really is to find the information and put it in an interesting format. And again, if you're working in a college, use the template for the college in which you're working and make it something that you could take next week and put it into practice. That's all for now. It's pretty quick and simple kitchen table teaching for this week. As usual, if you have any questions, pop me an email. Thanks. Have a good week.